the Friday Five here on the Agent Survival Guide podcast. I'm your host, Sarah Ruppel, and this week we are focusing on how agents can optimize their insurance business ahead of and during the Medicare Annual Enrollment Period. That time frame runs from October 15th through December 7th, a short period of time to get a lot of work done. Let's get into our list of 5 must-haves for every agent during AEP 2025. Written by Roxanne Anderson, Emily Ryan, and Blaine Waterloo, and updated for the 2025 Annual Enrollment Period. Preparing for Medicare's Annual Enrollment Period, or AEP for short, can be an overwhelming and chaotic time. It helps to know exactly what you need to be efficient and effective during your biggest sales season. Of course, you want tools that can do it all and keep you organized. You may already have your AEP checklist, but before you get too far, make sure your bases are covered with these necessary pieces for a successful AEP. Number 1, make it mobile. When it comes to today's internet, there are few things more important than ease of access at any time and any place. Keeping your website mobile-friendly is important for a senior generation that's increasingly tech-savvy, or at least supported by children who are. When searching for your contact information or details about the plans available via tablet, phone, or laptop, it shouldn't become unreadable or tough to navigate. A user-friendly experience is a more profitable experience, and it puts your clients at ease. Number 2, paperless is productive. It's become simply too time-consuming to keep hard copy files of everything. With paper only, you're just begging for mistakes, including potential HIPAA violations, as well as missed opportunities, all of which can quickly become overwhelming. We recommend using an online customer relationship manager, or CRM, to track pertinent client data. This way, you can save time and frustration by keeping all documents on a computer where they can be easily accessed at any time with just a few clicks. We also recommend selecting an enrollment platform that syncs with your CRM for seamless client management. Number 3, optimize with automatic enrollment. Keep it simple. Today's agent needs to be compliant, organized, and efficient in helping their clients. So why shouldn't you do all of that in one place? Make your site the one-stop shop where clients can not only see the plans available in their area, input their doctors and medications, but also enroll right then and there. No messing with postage, no waiting. This allows you to spend more time on your business and your life, and allows clients to get the coverage they need as efficiently as possible. Number 4, stay in the lead. You've done plenty of marketing through Medicare's off-season, but lead generation doesn't really ever stop. As the enrollment period draws near, you need a way to appeal to consumers and direct them to contact you. By simply filling out a form on your site, beneficiaries can show their interest whenever they want. That way, both you and your potential clients can spend more time on the things that matter. Because during AEP, your time is better spent helping your clients rather than courting new ones. And if you're interested in growing your business even further, select a tool that has a lead generation program. Low-cost leads can be an excellent way to bring new clients to your business. You'll help even more clients and earn more commissions when you grow your book of business. Number 5, compliance is key, and it doesn't have to be complicated. By putting a contact button on your site, clients can click it to complete a form with their information, giving you the information you need to contact a prospect. With the right CRM and website, a compliant electronic scope of appointment, or e-scope, is automatically prompted, and a 48-hour countdown begins. This 48-hour countdown should be visible in your CRM. That way, you know when you're able to compliantly contact a client. The right CRM and enrollment tool also records your calls and stores them for reference later. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS, requires agents to record phone calls and keep a record of these calls. So selecting a tool that makes compliance second nature is a great strategy for success this AEP. When it comes to the features we've mentioned in this episode, Plan Enroll does it all. If you are looking for the full package, Plan Enroll packs endless possibilities into one tool. It includes simple lead generation and enrollments, a personalized marketing website, innovative features like Client Sync, and so much more. Plus, Plan Enroll helps agents stay CMS compliant, and you know how passionate we are about compliance. By getting your own Plan Enroll site, you are setting your business up for a successful AEP. What's more, Plan Enroll is also integrated with Medicare Center. The Medicare Center Client Manager, for example, acts as a CRM that securely stores pertinent client information. The records are easy to update, and through Client Sync, clients have the ability to create their own profile on your Plan Enroll site to add, share, and update their info when necessary. This info can then be easily accessed to complete Medicare plan quotes and comparisons on Plan Enroll. You can learn more about the perks of Plan Enroll and access your own site when you sign up for Medicare Center, and that link will be in our episode notes. Once you've completed that registration process, you'll gain access to Medicare Center. When you log in, you'll see information for agents using the system for the first time, walking you through how to use the system. There are training guides available in the Learning Center. And of course, if you have questions, you can always reach out to us here at Ritter Insurance Marketing. We'd be happy to answer those questions for you. Our contact information is in the episode notes, but we do like to mention it here as well. You can email asgpodcast@ritterim.com or call and leave us a voicemail at 1-717-562-7211. Also, in the notes, links to more episodes like this one, blog posts, ebooks, guides. We pack our notes with resources. So that is always a good next step to visit after listening to these episodes. And please, if you have questions, reach out. I always say that the only bad question is the one that you do not ask. Thank you so much for listening to this installment of our show. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an integrity company. This episode was written by Roxanne Anderson, Emily Ryan, and Blaine Waterloo. Script proofing by Tina Lamoureux. Recording and production by me, Sarah Ruppel. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Artwork by Vivian Zhao.